Today we'll be talking about logic gates, not the gate, where you come in through the door, but an electronic gate, and very similar to a gate that you have outside your door. The gate controls the kind of signals that will be allowed through the electronic circuits. So if you think of the gate, then you may have an electronic circuit that's coming in, and the gate will say, hey, identify yourself, and then it will either allow the signal to go in or do a certain kind of check, a certain kind of computation. So we have certain logic gates in electronics like AND, OR, NOT. Those are basic gates. Let me just give you an example. Let's say the NOT gate. The NOT gate does what it says. It inverts the input signal. So if I have a high signal coming in, it changes it to a low voltage signal. If I have a low voltage signal coming in, then it changes it to a high output signal. So if the input is 0, then the NOT gate changes it to 1. And if the input is 1, then let me move this a bit, the output becomes 0. Okay, and this little table here, strangely enough, is called the truth table. Okay, so it'll be clearer once I show you this. This is actually a logic gate simulator, and what I've pulled in here is a signal. Either it is 1 or 0. Okay, then I can pull a NOT gate in. So what I can do is connect this signal into the NOT gate, and then this is an output signal. So let's just see. So when the input is 0, the output is 1. And guess what? When I change it to 1, this becomes 0. Okay, let's try this, which is an AND gate. Okay, let's remove this one, and this signal will come in here. Let me put this up further. Okay, so this signal comes in here, and this signal goes out here. But you notice there should be 2 inputs because it's trying to see it's an AND function. So I need another input, which is here, and I feed this in. Okay, so what you have here is that if it is 1 and 0, the output is 0. And if I want the output to be 1, then both the inputs have got to be 1. So I click this, if this is 1 and this is 1, and this becomes. Okay, so what I want you to do is to go to this website and download and install this applet, the same applet that I showed you just now, and I want you to play around with the different logic gates. Okay, and when you're done with that, I'd like you to try this exercise. This is using the same applet, but I've put boxes. Here to block off the actual logic gate that is behind these boxes, and I have 2 inputs, inputs 1 and 2. So inputs 1 and 2, and these are the outputs. So looking at this and using the applet, I want you to figure out what is behind these boxes here, and then what might be the output signals if I have 0 and 1. If it is 0 and 0, the output is 1, 0, 0, 0. If the input is 1, 0, the output is 0, 1, 0, 1, and so on. Okay, so I'll see you back in class. Have fun with this. Bye.